this young man who I'd known for about 3 years, he leans over to me and he starts whispering to me. He says, I just want you to know something. Jesus Christ was buried and rose again on the third day. If you don't believe this, you're going to go to hell. I'm Jewish. We don't believe in Jesus. It was kind of like holding up kryptonite, and he stopped talking. I kind of make a joke, as long as I kept my room clean and had good grades, then I was sort of left alone. Like, nobody was really asking me, what I was doing. And so I would work hard, get good grades, keep my room clean, and then I would just join friends, go out partying, get drunk. But I just didn't like who I was becoming when I was drinking, and it didn't fill the need, the void that was in my heart. And I tried. I put the leather straps, the phylacteries on, or I washed my hands, and then I would forget, and I'd feel guilty. And then I realized, you're just not good enough. You're not disciplined enough. And then as I was doing it, or I'd fast on Yom Kippur, and the rabbi would say, your name is written in the book of life. I just remember feeling like, well, first, it wasn't bringing me peace. And second, how does he know? Where does it say your name is written in the book of life? If there is a God, he's going to sort of want more than just a fast one day a year, or wrapping leather straps. He's going to want more than that. After I graduated college, I got a good job, car rental agency, making good money, living with friends, nice social life, but I was empty inside. Woman gets into a car accident when it's raining. Her car is totaled, but she walks away without a scratch. The next morning, she goes to a rental car company, but they didn't have any cars. And so they brought her to the agency that I was working at. We started talking. Next thing I know, she starts telling me about Jesus. It was almost like I pulled out the kryptonite. I said, look, I'm Jewish. We don't believe in Jesus. Don't waste your time. And she said, so am I. Almost felt like the kryptonite dropped from my hand. And I was amazed. First, I learned Jesus was Jewish. I always thought he was Catholic. And here I'm reading that he's actually Jewish, and his followers were Jewish. And everybody who wrote the New Testament was Jewish. And he walked in Israel, and he celebrated the holidays just like me, and he had a Jewish mother just like me. And so as I was reading it, I was just amazed that this is a Jewish book. So now that I have Yeshua, I have peace in my heart. I have meaning and purpose. I fell in love with the young woman who gave me the New Testament. She's now my wife. We're married, and we have 5 beautiful boys. 3 of them are bar mitzvahed. 2 of them are on the way to being bar mitzvahed. Went back to school and have a master's degree and started my own business. But most important, I now have peace in my heart through Yeshua, the Jewish Messiah.